Ever taken a photo and wished the sky looked more dramatic? Maybe a boring blue sky just isn't cutting it for your masterpiece. Well, fear not photographers, because Photoshop's sky replacement tool is here to save the day. Open the photo you want to edit in Photoshop. Make sure it's an image where the sky occupies a significant portion of the frame. Clicks on the Select menu. Let's see what we can do. Aha! Sky. With one click, Photoshop did the hard work. The sky was isolated, ready for a makeover. Now for the fun part. She clicks on the Edit menu and selects Sky Replacement. A new window pops up with various sky options: a vibrant sunset, a fluffy cloudscape, a dramatic storm. A sunset would be perfect. Clicks on a new sky preset in the Sky Replacement panel. The photo transforms with a vibrant sunset sky. Adjusts the scaling and rotation of the new sky to perfectly fit the landscape. Refines the selection edge using the Refine Edge tool for a seamless blend. The final image with a bright, dramatic sky. This is amazing. So much time saved. Select sky because great photos deserve great skies.
I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel